Need light in a few tabs? This guide shows two easy ways to turn your Samsung Galaxy flashlight on or off, including a quick settings shortcut and side button access. Step 1. Turn the flashlight on or off using quick settings. The fastest way to use the flashlight is through the quick settings panel. Start by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to open the quick settings menu. On some Samsung devices, you may need to swipe down twice to see all available options. Look for the flashlight icon. Tap it once to turn the flashlight on. When the flashlight is active, the icon usually turns blue or becomes highlighted. To turn the flashlight off, simply tap the icon again. If you don't see the flashlight icon, swipe left through the available quick settings pages. If it is still missing, tap the Edit, Pencil or T plus button and add the flashlight tile to your quick settings panel. Once added, you can access it anytime with a quick swipe. Step 2. Set up a side button flashlight. Shortcut for even faster access, Samsung allows you to assign the flashlight to the side button. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Next, select Side button or Side key depending on your device model. Turn on double press if it isn't already enabled. From the available actions, select Flashlight or Torch. With these settings enabled, turning your Samsung Galaxy flashlight on or off takes only double tap side power button, turn it on or off.